Okay, welcome back to the channel, Hobby-Wan Kenobi. Today we're going to have a look at the M3 Grant by TAKOM. First off, I want to point out just how wonderful the artwork of Jason Wong is. He has done several pieces of the box art of TAKOM models, and they're just incredible. I particularly love the chipping effects he achieves here. Great stuff. Okay, opening this puppy up. We have the hull here and the top turret. Looks pretty nice. We have the tree labeled K. Looks like some parts for the upper hull and looks like the gun mantle here. We have a tree labeled S, and it looks like N as well. We got some side skirts, it looks like. We have a tree labeled F, sides of the hull, some nice and crisp bolts here, and looks like some bogies here. Looks really great, nice detail. More hull parts, and here's some braces for the front of the vehicle. We have two sets for the wheels, which is pretty typical for armor kits, and these are labeled A. Now we have the track, which appear to be a hybrid of individual and these sort of half-length sections. I am seeing a lot of pin marks. This will be an issue. I don't know yet what I'm going to do here, if I need to go ahead and get some individual link sets, metal or plastic. And now we have the instructions. These look nice, very typical of TAKOM. We have some photo etch here, and looks like some decals in the back here. I believe this kit has a total of 4 different paint schemes. Okay, let's go ahead and open this up and have a look. Okay, let's go ahead and leave this in the plastic. Oh, I'm seeing some lights here as well. Just 2 clear pieces. Okay, let's go ahead and have a look at these instructions. Pretty typical front section here with all the symbols. And a nice little parts list. Lets us know which pieces will be needed and which ones are used for other versions. Okay. Everything's pretty much in the order that we expect tank models to be. Start with the hull first and take care of the wheels. I tend to take care of these last, but let's see. We're going to have to really take our time with the order here. It's okay to go in a slightly different direction than the instructions suggest. You just have to make sure that you understand that there are reasons for the steps going in certain orders sometimes. So you want to be very careful to not jump to another step and then have caused yourself problems because you went in a slightly different order. Okay, so I'm looking at this part here. Yeah, M13 and M12. Yeah, these were terrifying when I saw them in the box. They're very thin. It's likely I'm going to break them at some point, so I'll need to be very careful with that. Here's the turret work. Looks pretty straightforward. There's a little cable to attach. And finally we have some ads here for their either upcoming kits or kits that are already out. Pretty cool. These are 2 of the 4 different schemes that we can do. I think I'm going to opt for a 2-tone camo as opposed to the 3-tone camo. I do like that Monty's vehicle is here. It looks like Monty's personal command tank. Okay, well, thanks for watching and thanks for following, and please hit subscribe to keep up on the latest videos for this build.